I know a lot of people hear words like virtual assistant and data analyst, and they sound big, they sound confusing, sometimes intimidating. So you might be asking, which one is better? Which one can I actually do? So today I want to explain it in a way that makes sense. No big grammar, no tech noise, just real understanding. My name is Mercy and I'm the CEO of VaceUp Digital Academy. I've worked with digital skills for years and I've seen a lot of people feel confused or intimidated just by hearing terms like virtual assistant and data analyst. That's why I like to explain these things in a very simple, real life way so you don't feel lost or overwhelmed before you even start. Now let's break it down. Let's imagine you own a small business. You cannot do everything alone. So this is where virtual assistants and data analysts come in, but they help in different ways. A virtual assistant helps with the day-to-day running of a business. Think of a virtual assistant as the person that helps keep things organized and moving smoothly. For example, someone needs to reply emails. The virtual assistant helps. Appointment needs to be scheduled. The virtual assistant handles it. Files need to be arranged. The virtual assistant organizes them. Social media messages need replies. The virtual assistant responds. So a virtual assistant is like, let me take this off your plate so you can focus on your business. In quote, I mean. Let me take this off your plate so you can focus on your business. Now, a data analyst. A data analyst works more with information and numbers. The business owner now wants to know, why did sales drop last month? Which product sells the most? Which location performs better? Or what should we improve? Those are the questions the business owner is asking. So all these questions have answers, and these answers are hidden inside data. So a data analyst collects the data, clean the data, they study the data and explains it to the business owner in a clear way. So not just for numbers sake, but insights that will help the business make better decision. So if you like pattern, if you like logic, if you like asking the question why, if you understand how things connect, then data analysis may be for you. So let's simplify the difference. A virtual assistant helps businesses run better day to day. A data analyst helps businesses understand what is happening and what to do next. One supports operations, the other supports decisions. Both are important, both are in demand, both can be learned. And these skills are not trends, they are not temporary. So because businesses will always need support, they will always need clarity, they will always need data-driven decision. That is why virtual assistants and data analysis are future-proof skills. So if you've been thinking, I want to work online, I want a skill that makes sense, I don't want to be confused, start by understanding, then start by learning step by step. Follow us to start your tech career the smart way.